Kinilala ning Senado ing tagumpening Aurora Gaming PH kay bananiting simbut ing alter ego ning Indonesia king Mobile Legends Bang Bang MLBB M7 World Championship. Kapamilatan ning Senate Resolution number 276 penimuna ning Senator Bam Aquino ing pamagkilala king Koponan Aquino ing chairperson ning Senate Committees on Education at Science and Technology. King kayang speech sinabi ning senador na patunay panyambut ning Koponan king dedikasyon, disiplina at pamisasan metong inyame nagumpelarete king international competition. Dinikdik na niting balaw sa pamanimunan ng Pilipinas, king larangan ng MLBB.
Our guests today follow in a long tradition of greatness while also serving as an inspiration to Filipino gamers and esports enthusiasts. Sa Aurora Gaming PH, kayo po ay patunay na ang dedikasyon, disiplina at pagtutulungan ay maaaring magbunga ng tagumpay sa pinakamataas na antas ng international competition.
Kayag na ni pa magkilala ni launch niya ng mga Aquino ing meto nga integrated development plan para king esports at technology. Lalam ning Committee on Education. Buridang kilalanan ning esports bilang lehitimong parte ning akademya. Amuyutan laring universidad na mamye scholarship para karing digital athletes. Kalupa ning babye karing varsity player king traditional sports. Susulong niya naman ning esports bilang permanent medal event king palarong pambansa.
The support has to be there from government, from the private sector, from the citizens. We've had that experience, di ba? We supported our best athletes in the past like Manny Pacquiao, Efren Bata Reyes, Paeng Nepomuceno. Ito masasabi natin world champions talaga. And our esports players deserve the same kind of support. Maraming Pinoy gamers and marami tayong esports players na willing na pumasok sa gantong larangan and we need to support them even more. So I'm hoping na efforts like this will be able to bring out the players na maybe hindi masyado napapansin, hindi nabibigyan ng break, mabigyan sila ng break, matulungan sila, and we're able to produce even more best of the best players sa esports natin.
Lalam ning Committee on Science and Technology kapag nasa napasik na nga ng digital infrastructure at suporta ning video game development king bansa. Target na niting adin lang insentibo ring Pilipinong game developer bang ela mo maging players rete king Pilipinas nune maging creator kareng world-class game.
Ang tagumpay po ng Aurora Gaming PH ay nagbibigay diin sa lakas, husay at global competitiveness ng mga Pilipinong esports athletes. Sa panalo pong ito, mas lalong pinatibay ang reputasyon ng Pilipinas bilang isa sa mga nauuna sa mundo pagdating sa esports.
Agpang kang Aquino, kalupa ning meging panyulong ning BPO industry kanita, malyaring maging maragul, apikwanan obreng esports, king daratang. Ako po, Patricia Mawangon para king News Force Pampanga, Balitang Tutuking Balen, Susuyo.